So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. How to use Filipino voice on 11 Labs. Are you looking to generate a natural Filipino or Tagalog voice using AI? Whether you are a content writer, creator, voiceover artist, or just a curious about text-to-speech tools, 11 Labs now supports multiple languages, including Filipino. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and use a Filipino voice in 11 Labs, step by step. First, click on the voice library from the top menu. Now in the search bar, simply type Filipino or Tagalog. You will see a list of available Filipino voices designed by the community or 11 Lab itself. Click on voice to preview it. Choose the one that best fits your content, male, female, calm, energetic, whatever suits your styles. Now go to the video file. And that's it. You are ready to use Filipino AI voice in your next video or project. Like and follow for more 11 Labs and AI content tips.